Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of class 11 and 12 of Al-Haz Sarwar Khan Degree College, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mullik Nurul Islam, lecturer, Department of English, Al-Haz Sarwar Khan Degree College, Shenhati, Digholia, Khulna. My dear students, I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I shall take a class on how to write an essay. Today I shall take a class on how to write an essay. We should know about essay. Almost all the students have to write essay in examinations. We should know about the definition of essay. An essay is a short non-fiction prose on a subject. An essay is a short non-fiction prose on a subject. The structure of an essay is similar to the structure of a paragraph. Number one, a paragraph has a topic sentence. In the same way, an essay has an introductory paragraph. In this introductory paragraph, the central idea or thesis of the essay is written. Number two, a paragraph has a body, and in the body of the paragraph, main ideas of the passage are developed in several sentences. Similarly, an essay has a body. In the body of an essay, the central ideas mentioned in the introductory paragraph are developed in several paragraphs. In every paragraph of the body of an essay, a particular idea or point is developed. Number three, the last sentence of a paragraph is the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence of a paragraph restates the topic sentence. Similarly, the concluding paragraph of an essay restates the ideas of the introductory paragraph in a different way. So, an essay is written on a subject matter or a topic. The essay has a paragraph in the introduction. In the body of the essay has several paragraphs to develop the ideas of the essay. In the body of the essay, there are several paragraphs to develop the ideas of the essay. In the end of the essay, there is a concluding paragraph. So, an essay is the total of some paragraphs. Look at the slide. Here you can see an example of a well written essay. You can follow this technique of writing essay. Read this slide. Read the topic of an essay. The problem of teaching and learning English in Bangladesh. You have to write an essay on this topic. Look at the slide. Thesis statement. There is something wrong with the teaching and learning of English in Bangladesh. You have to write the introductory paragraph by developing this topic sentence and by writing the central ideas of the essay. Look at the slide. Development of the statement or an outline of the essay. Number one, lack of motivation. Number two, shortage of competent teachers. Number three, unsuitable textbooks. Number four, bad testing methods. Number five, conclusion. In the body, you have to develop these points. You have to develop every point in a paragraph by applying the technique of paragraph writing. Start reading the essay. Read the essay yourself. In the first paragraph, the introduction is written. Look at the slide. The first paragraph is the introduction of the essay. Read the introduction yourself. Look at this slide. In the second para, lack of motivation is developed. In the third paragraph, shortage of competent teachers is developed. In the fourth paragraph, unsuitable text books is developed. Then the bad testing method is developed in the next paragraph. Final paragraph is about conclusion. My dear students, this essay is the conception of the writer. You can agree with the writer or not. You can write your own essay on this topic. So, to write a well-written essay, find out an outline of the essay with several points. Write an introduction focusing on these points. Write a paragraph on every point in the body. So, in the body, you will write several paragraphs on all points. At the end of the essay, write the concluding paragraph. My dear students, when you are told to write an essay on any topic or subject, you will write your conception, experience, logic, knowledge, and thinking on the topic. Your writing will be authentic and logical. Your writing of essay on a particular point may differ from other writers. Write the essay in correct sentences and use various types of sentence structures so that the reader can understand that you have command over English language. Use various types of vocabularies so that reader can understand that you have command over English words. It is noted that all paragraphs of an essay may not have topic sentences, but every paragraph must develop a particular point within some sentences. There must have coherence among the sentences of the paragraph, or the sentences will be dependent on another. My dear students, this class will be helpful for the students of class 11 particularly, as they are writing essay in their assignment. My dear students, in this pandemic situation, stay at home and continue your studies. We are in lockdown situation for the excessive spread of COVID-19 virus. Follow the rules of health. I pray to Almighty Allah for your safety in this pandemic situation. You will also pray to Almighty Allah for us. I end today's online English class here. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.